Ava, wave. Show us what you got. Uh-oh. He's stuck.
I can't break it. I don't know.
He's rolling his back. Uh-oh, she's gonna make sure you fall. Look at her trying to make him fall. She's trying to make him fall. This McDonald's has musical notes. I can play the guitar with my toes.
You gotta see this, Dad. American Ninja Warrior. We're cool.
Musical notes. McDonald's musical notes. I think only a couple of the keys are working. That's beautiful. You play chopsticks on this? What are you trying to do, nut? These don't work. All right, guys, we are at our local McDonald's, and we have got this vintage McDonald's French fry game.
Guessing.
We're trying to be a little quiet because there's.
It's really quiet.
It's really quiet in here. I don't know why, but y'all don't have to be quiet, okay?
Okay.
Ava, you ready? What is she doing? She's kissing her shoulder. Oh, what? Is she? Are you a kitty cat? Are you a kitty cat? Cleaning yourself? This guy's back here doing maintenance. Okay, so this is a vintage French fry game. I think it's from the 60s, maybe? The 70s, 80s, 90s? I don't know.
You're all right.
100.
You okay? Why did you do that?
70s, 80s,
She feels better now. Okay, hold on. So the way this works is they're gonna take turns removing French fries, okay? But one of the French fries
Makes them all fly out.
is wrong. So the bad French fry will make this thing explode. Okay, she just took her first one. Now take it out real fast, okay?
Let me go and then it's your turn. You got
Okay.
to come out fast.
Oh, no. One at a time, girl.
You crazy.
Okay,
Okay, Ava.
now you, Ava.
Fast.
Here it goes. Is this it? No, one of them's gonna make it explode. Which one's it gonna be? That's awesome. The first one to 5.
Okay.
So we found this on eBay, so we're having a good time with it. By the way, if you guys like McDonald's, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to KidCity. Hey, what you doing? You getting distracted with the playground area? So real quiet. All right. Oh, she picked the first one.
It wins that round. I hope she wins this next.
Okay.
Because she hasn't won yet.
All right.
Oh, here you go.
Good fry. Okay. Bubby's turn. Your turn. Okay. Okay.
Oh. She wants that one.
Okay.
Hello.
Oh no.
She's got. Oh, every time.
I won every time.
Okay.
We got an audience here, but he don't care. He's just gonna fix the thing. All right, guys.
Okay.
Let's see if Ava can win one. Beckett. Let's mix them up.
Pull hard.
No! That's Ava's point.
First one, how many wins?
How many do you have?
He's won
3.
3.
All right, let's.
Do 5?
This is round whatever. All right, here we go. First to 5 wins. Oh, she's safe. Oh. Oh. She's got 2 points.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Okay.
Oh. Scoot closer, buddy. Oh, pull it. Is it 3-3?
Yeah, 3.
Okay.
Okay, Ava.
Mix them up, mix them up. Ava goes.
No, you get 1.
Don't get a handful of fries.
Oh!
Oh, she's gonna win, boy.
Oh, man.
Yeah. Ava, you gonna win. What you sad about? You knocked your head too hard on the table.
I'm going first this time.
Okay, Ava. Use 4 to you gotta win 1 more time.
Where's she going? Where you going, girl?
Ava, come here.
What's the matter? Y'all, she is an actress.
Okay.
Okay, it's Mom City.
play.
Mom City's gonna
I'll play.
Oh, she's gonna come back now. She ain't sad. She's gonna be. Ava's gonna be an actress. Ava's gonna be an actress when she grows up. So she's ahead with 4, and Becca's got 3.
Go, Ava.
Yay! Finally!
One more. Next one wins. Next one wins. Oh, close. Can you see inside?
No, they can't. No, you don't look now.
Don't look, Ava.
Look, Ava.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Okay.
No!
Ava wins. How do you feel? How does it feel to win the McDonald's game?
How does it feel?
Oh, she's so sad.
But now it's sad to win.
Give me a break, girl.